In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a guest a presenter in Microsoft Teams. Let's dive right in to make sure that your next meeting runs as smoothly as possible. First, let's navigate to the meeting settings, which is an easy first step. Once you're in your Microsoft Teams meeting, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find a series of icons. You'll see one that looks like two little people standing next to each other. This is our People option, and it's your gateway to managing participant roles. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you've clicked on the People option, a sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll find a list of everyone who is currently in the meeting. This list can be quite helpful for keeping track of attendees, and in this case, it's essential for choosing who you want to make a presenter. If you're hosting a meeting on your own for now, it may appear empty under your name. But not to worry. In an actual meeting, this area will populate with all your participants, categorized under the heading Attendees. Once attendees are present, scroll through the list to locate the name of the individual you want to promote to a presenter. Look carefully to the right of their name, and you'll spot an icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. This is known as the More Options button. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with several options on how you can interact with that particular participant. From this drop-down menu, you will see the option to Make a Presenter. Go ahead and select that. Once you do, a prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to change this person's status. Confirm your choice by selecting Change, and there you have it. You've now successfully promoted a guest to a presenter in Microsoft Teams. By giving them presenter rights, you're allowing them to share their screen, lead discussions, and collaborate more effectively with everyone in the meeting. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps us know we're providing content that makes a difference. For more helpful guides and tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're always here with more useful advice to empower your team's experience. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.